has won the election by a margin.
Does this safari guarantee I come on?
Next year in 2056,
No guarantees of anything, except the prey, that is. This is Mr. Travis. He will be giving you your instructions. Don't disobey or there will be consequences.
Come with me.
Unbelievable. I'm ready to go shoot a dinosaur.
Tyrannosaurus Rex. The most incredible monster in history. Watch out though, these beasts are hungry.
Sounds like you're just trying to scare me.
Quite frankly, I am. You don't want people who will panic on first shot. People have died on safaris like this one. It's not too late to resign.
Let's do this.
And these are the controls. Give this a look. Of course, we've done this thousands of times. Really better get it.
Alright, make sure you go for the eyes first, then go for the brain.
Are you sure these guns are going to take out a dinosaur?
If you follow orders, you'll be fine.
When we go out, there will be a path. This is to keep you from interacting with the environment. Whatever you do, do not step off the path.
Why does that even matter?
We're not even supposed to be here in the past. We could change the future forever. We could kill an important animal.
So we kill whatever animals all the time on a hunt.
But this one's different. If you kill one wrong animal, it might be the ancestor of millions. The thing about the T-Rex we're going to kill is it's about to die in 10 minutes.
Alright, we're here. Let's go.
Eccles, stop that. If your gun were to go off, the consequences would be dire.
Stay alert. The dinosaur is due in about 60 seconds.
Alright, Eccles, you shoot first, followed by Kramer. You'll finish him off.
I've been on plenty of hunts before, but for some reason this time seems different.
Hey, here it comes!
I can't do this anymore.
Eccles, stop right there! It hasn't seen us! Get out of here, you almost got us.
Wait.
No, this fool almost got us killed. He made his mark here, so he has to stay.
Cool down, Travis. All I did was kick up some dirt.
I might still kill you, Eccles. You better hope nothing's happened to our future. Get out, Eccles.
Everything's fine. Welcome home, everyone.
Eccles, you get out of here and never come back.
Alright, I'm leaving. Who is the current president?
It's not even a question. Dusha, of course. Keith is a fool weakling.